see if we can get Mr. Girotra here. So just one moment. Amitabh, in fact, we have Ritika's father, Mr. Girotra, here to talk to us. Sir, are you disappointed that you'll have to wait for another 5 days for this verdict?
No, we are not disappointed. It is just a postponement for 5 days. There is no question of disappointment at all. The court has not expressed any opinion. The court has not passed any order as yet.
Right.
They have just postponed for 5 days.
Right.
So it is okay.
So why do you think this is taking so long? The order was supposed to be pronounced early on the 11th of May.
It is a very long and lengthy trial. In such type of important trials, these things take place in courts. So they have just told that we will pronounce on 25th. Okay.
Right. So what are your expectations from this verdict, given that everybody was very disappointed last time round when SPS Rathod came out smiling after he was given a 6-month jail term?
Yes, last time we were disappointed when he was awarded only 6 months imprisonment. We were not expecting 6 months after 19 years of battle. And that too, when he came out from the court laughing, that laughing pained me. That, look here, my daughter has died. My daughter has committed suicide because of him and he is laughing. On that day, it pained me very much. But now I am expecting full justice from this appellate court.
Right. And sir, also, it has been said that it's not just Rathod, it's the entire system which is to blame, the police, the government. What's your take on that?
Definitely, it is the entire system who delayed in lodging the FIR. When the then DGP submitted his inquiry report, that FIR has to be lodged. Criminal liability is there. In his inquiry report, he categorically recommended to the state government that FIR should be immediately lodged. But the state government as well as the local police never lodged the FIR. For 9 years we were crying. And during this period, he committed all sort of atrocities on that poor girl and the entire family. Had the FIR been lodged at a proper time and trial started and finished at a proper time, the girl would not have died. The system, the entire nexus between politicians and bureaucracy, they are responsible for the death of my daughter.
So thank you so much for talking to us.
Tuba.com